Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to another book review. Although this is not really a book, it's a magazine-ish book. So, this little treasure is vintage, very vintage, 60 cents. And then it was 75 cents in Canada. Popular Mechanics, a Popular Mechanics book. What to Make with Concrete, a manual for home, farm, and garden. How to use concrete around the house, on the farm, 101 useful projects to mix and pour. This was really cool. So it measures, it's a soft cover, obviously. It measures 6.5 by 9.5. And she's got some age to her. But this would be fantastic for journals. The colors and images are just neat in here. So there's staples in here, so you could pull the staples out and use an entire page in your journal. It's just cool. It's just those retro, vintage advertising and stuff. So this is 1951. And of course, it's like a magazine pages, so you could collage with it, you know, fussy cut the, you know, whatever, make tags. It's just interesting on the colors. Like here's like bright blue with this black and white. Look at that. It's just really cool. These images are really neat for putting in your junk journal. Make your own power mixer in concrete. Yeah, it's just really neat. Oops. You know, maybe you're doing some vintage journals and you know, you want to look for something like this and you don't have these types of vintage advertisements and stuff like that. There's a lady there gardening, composting. Just really neat. But maybe you would be lucky enough to find one of these on eBay or something. Lots and lots of things you could cut out, definitely. Getting to the end here. And then of course the back page is really old advertisement. So yeah. And actually on the back, this would be great actually for looking for some more. Famous how to do it books for everyone. So there's must be a whole bunch of these. Look at, you have the names of the book and everything that you could search for. Oh, look at this one. This one is Christmas Handbook. I would love to get my hands on that. I don't know if you can see it. Interesting projects for craftsmen. There's a Christmas one there. Power tools, veterinary, farm, the boy mechanic, motorist, what to make for children, furniture you can build. Interesting. So I might just take this book up by my computer and just hop on eBay and start typing in some of these titles and seeing if I could find some more, because this was great. This is great if you're looking for really vintage images and stuff. So there you go. All right, thank you so much. Okay, bye.